recipe in just a minute, but right now, here to talk about a really neat new procedure that they're doing is Dr. Negrete from Forefront Dermatology. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So this is the time of year, I think, where we all want to be looking our best. You know, spring and summer, and a lot of reunions, anniversaries, graduations, weddings. You know what? If you've been thinking about doing something to maybe, you know, look a little younger, brighter, fresher, this may be for you. Tell us about this procedure and what you're doing.
Yeah, so Halo is a very innovative technology. It is the only laser in its kind, and what it is a hybrid fractional laser. Delivers both ablative and non-ablative wavelengths to the same microscopic treatment zone. And what it does is it creates a very aggressive treatment, but with very low downtime.
So this would be something, you know, you don't want to go, you know, for surgery, you don't want to have, you know, surgical procedures done with your face, but you want something more than a facial. Sometimes when I go for a facial, and I'm like, that felt good, but you really don't get, you know, some lasting results.
And that's the nice part about this. It is a lasting result. And it treats different target zones. So it actually helps with pore size, it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, helps with discoloration and the signs of sun damage, and it also helps with melasma, which is one of the conditions that is very difficult as a dermatologist to treat.
So we've got some before and after pictures, and can you kind of describe what we're seeing here?
So you can see on the left we have a picture of a young gal who has some discoloration, and you can see just after 2 treatments how she has a glow to her skin. The pictures on the right are actually a Visia, and this shows kind of the underlying sun damage that we see, and you can see a decrease in the discoloration.
A big difference in the two pictures. Now, I actually had the procedure done, and the cool thing about it is I had it done on Thursday, and I was back to work on Monday, and really nobody ever knew I had it done, but my husband was like, your skin looks beautiful. So, you know, there is a little bit of discomfort involved during the procedure, and, you know, a couple days of maybe some red and puffiness, but, I mean, it's nothing like,
very
you know,
great.
Very quick recovery.
Yes, so typically we will have people put a topical anesthetic on for 45 minutes to an hour before the procedure just to minimize that discomfort. And then after that, we do the procedure. It takes about 20 to 45 minutes. The first 2 days are usually the worst, where you have a little bit of redness and a little bit of swelling, and then you almost get a little crispiness on the skin that sloughs off over the next couple of days. And you can have the procedure done on a Thursday or Friday and be back to business on Monday.
And you see the results really, really quickly. So after a few days, you know, of the kind of the healing, recovering, it's, you know, you've got a really nice, brighter, fresher look. Now, I had one treatment. Do you recommend more than one or a couple of them?
So some people elect to have one treatment, but you do see an additional benefit to having 2 treatments. So, you know, a lot of patients will elect to have 2 more aggressive treatments spaced over time. The nice thing is that you will get the results immediately within the first 2 to 5 days, but then after that you will actually see a significant improvement in the dermal regeneration phase. This is what's going to happen over the next 2 to 3 months, where you see an improvement in texture and tone, you see an improvement in the pore size and the fine lines and wrinkles.
And you're not doing anything under the knife, so it's still a very natural look. It doesn't really change your look or anything like that, but you feel better and you look better. And it's really affordable, a lot less expensive than plastic surgery.
Correct. Some of the lesser aggressive treatments are about $750 a treatment, and then the more aggressive treatments are about $1,300. Most people will opt to do a package, and we do have great packages where we will give discounts and kind of customize it unique to your needs.
So you can get a couple of them at a reduced rate.
Yes.
If you're interested in having this done, and this is a procedure that's, you know, really happening out in Hollywood, a lot of the, you know, the actresses, and that's why that's why they look so great. Then it's really cool that you're now doing it in our area. So how can people find out more? Just, you know, get a consult and have you look at their skin?
Yes, forefrontdermatology.com. You can look up more information, and you can contact our office and schedule a complimentary consultation with me.
Doctor, thanks so much for sharing.
Thank you.
And very, very cool that we're doing this Halo treatment in our area. So why not give a call, find out a little bit more about it. It might be something just right for you. Thanks again.
Thank you.